everyone, before we're going to start our class, please let us rise and someone lead us a prayer. So, Abby, can you please lead us a prayer?
Dear Jesus, we offer you this day our work, our prayer, and our rest. Make us always your children. Amen.
So, yes, thank you. So, before you sit, can you please pick up all those pieces of papers under your chairs and arrange your chairs properly. Who is absent for today?
None, Ma'am.
Very good. So, before I'm going to start our lesson let me first read our classroom rules. So, first is do come prepared and notice and listen and respect everyone and engage actively. Before we formally proceed to our lesson, let's have first a short review of our previous lesson. So, I have here a house. Can you please guess the parts of the house? Anyone?
Ma'am.
Okay, yes, please, Jessa.
Roof, Ma'am.
Okay, very good. Another one?
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes?
Wall, Ma'am.
Okay, very good. Another?
Ma'am.
Okay, yes?
Window and door.
Okay, very good. So I have prepared an activity entitled Detective Work. So here we are going to act like an inspector. So I have a black box here. So and a flashlight. So in this box it contains hidden words. So your mission is to find the hidden words using this flashlight. So anyone can try?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Mami, too. Ma'am, miss alignment.
Yes, very good. Anyone?
Yeah.
Okay, come.
Four finishes na.
Okay, anyone?
Ma'am.
Okay.
Rocks.
Very good. So, anyone?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ira?
Rust staining, Ma'am.
Very good. Our lesson for today is all about visual inspections of the structure components. So, before I'm going to start, please let me first read the learning objectives. So, first is identify different types of damage like cracks or rust on a structure. And then next is value accuracy by double checking every part of the inspection for safety. And then the last one is use tools like a flashlight or magnifying glass to properly look for defects. So what comes into your mind if you hear the word visual? Anyone?
Ma'am.
Okay, yes?
Ma'am, visual is all about what you see.
Very good. How about inspection?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Our inspection is all about to check or examine.
Very good, Abby. If we combine the two words visual plus inspection, what word will be formed? Anyone?
Ma'am, visual plus inspection equals visual inspection.
Very good. Amazing. So I will show you a short video about visual inspection of a structure. Later, you will answer the following question. So, what was the video all about? Anyone?
Ma'am.
Yes, Miss Jessa, please stand.
Ma'am, based from the video we have watched, it shows how to do the proper inspection of buildings.
Yes, you got your point. That's what I want to show you. So what comes into your mind if you hear the word visual? Anyone?
Ma'am.
Okay, yes.
Ma'am, visual is all about what we see.
Very good. How about inspection?
Ma'am,
Yes.
our inspection is all about
To check or examine.
Very good, Abby. If we combine the two words visual plus inspection, what word will be formed? Anyone?
Ma'am, visual plus inspection equals visual inspection.
Very good. Amazing. Can you give me your own understanding about visual inspection? Anyone?
Ma'am, ako po.
Yes, please, Miss Shane.
Ma'am, visual inspection is all about looking and checking something to find defects, damages, or any problems within the structures.
Amazing. Very good. So, visual inspections of the structure components involve a comprehensive examination in which individuals carefully examine various elements of visible indications of damage, wear, misalignment, or other noticeable problems. So that is visual inspection. Do you know what is cracks? So cracks are represent visible features or fissures of surfaces indicating potential weaknesses in the material or structural components. So what are the possible cause of cracks? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, please, Miss Janelle.
overloading, ma'am.
Brilliant, exactly. So next is spalling. So spalling pertains to the chipping, flaking, or peeling of concrete surface, often triggered by factors like poor quality materials. So what are the possible cause of spalling? Anyone?
Ma'am,
Yes, Miss Jessa?
Ma'am, one possible cause of spalling is improper curing.
Yes, you got your point. So next is the efflorescence. This phenomenon entails the formation of white powdery deposits on the surface of masonry or concrete structure. So yung efflorescence is ito yung mga white powdery na nakikita natin sa mga walls ng mga buildings. So next is rust staining. So rust staining occurs when metal components such as reinforcement bars or fastener corrode and release rust into nearby surfaces. So, nakikita nyo naman dito sa pictures, base sa pictures, ito yung nakikita nating mga dark brown sa mga walls natin. Next visual effects is misalignment. So, misalignment involves deviation from the intended position or orientations of structural elements like columns, beams, or walls. So, based from the pictures, is the misalignment is hindi pagkapantay ng mga columns or beams or walls ng ating bahay or buildings. Naintindihan ba?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. So, next is poor finishes. This category includes uneven paint application, inconsistent texture or visible joints and seams in finishes like drywall or flooring. Naintindihan ba ang poor finishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I prepared a game for you. I'm going to show you a picture and you identify whether it is defect or no defect. So I'm going to divide the class into two groups. So this row is the group 1 and this row is the group 2. Picture. So first picture, defect or no defect? Okay, very good. The answer is defect. So next. Defect or no defect? 1, 2, 3, raise. Very good. The answer is defect. Congratulations, grade 8 perseverance. You showed good observation skills. To test if you really understand our lesson, let's have an activity. So I will go into divide the class into two groups. So first, group 1 will be the scientists. Identify causes. Instruction, students are going to identify possible causes of each effect. And then the group 2 will be the artist illustration of defects. So instruction, students are going to illustrate the following defects, cracks, and misalignment. Rubrics for group 1 is clear explanation 30%, identification of possible causes is 30%, correct grammar is 20%, the cooperation is 10%, and discipline is 10%. For the group 2 is the accuracy of drawing 30%, correct label 30%, neatness and quality is 20%, cooperation 10%, and discipline 10%. You have only 15 minutes to answer and finish the task. Timer start now.
A few moments later.
So, time's up. Class, are you ready to present your answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, group 1.
So these are the following causes of this effect. For the poor finishes, the causes is inconsistent texture, cracks is overloading, rust stunning is reinforcement bars, and the spalling is flaking.
Very good, group 1. Thank you so much. And let's proceed for the group 2.
So this is the misaligned of beams, and next is the cracked walls.
So give yourself a round of applause. So yan, very good. Thank you class for your fantastic effort and active participation. Let's call it a day. Goodbye class.
Bye, ma'am.
I just had to let you know you're